Here is an iced cookie butter latte recipe. I start out with instant coffee. I put 2 teaspoons of that, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, and then I add some hot water in there. I whisk it until it becomes frothy. You can add however much milk you want, whatever kind of milk you want. I'm using almond milk because I like almond milk a lot. And then you use the Chobani cookie butter creamer. I'm measuring mine out for dietary purposes, but you can use however much you want of this. And then I froth it. Obviously add some ice. Gotta pay the Casper tax. And of course add some cinnamon on top of it. Mix it all up. And enjoy. This is not my recipe. I saw this on TikTok.